Ever wondered how to send a video from your camera roll as an actual snap, not just a regular video you tap on? In today's video, I'm showing you exactly how to do it step by step. And make sure you stick around because I'll also share a small trick at the end that can save you even more time. Alright, let's get straight into it. Here's how to send videos from your camera roll as a snap on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat and record a very short clip. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a quick video. Now, once you've recorded that clip, you'll notice a little plus sign next to it. Tap on that plus icon. A new menu will pop up with several options. Scroll to the bottom and look for Import Media. Go ahead and tap that. From there, choose the video you want to import from your camera roll. Once your video is added, tap back on the short clip you initially recorded, the one we used to start this process, and delete it. Just tap on the clip, hit delete, and confirm. Now preview your snap by tapping Preview to make sure everything looks good. If you're happy with it, hit Send and select the friends you want to send it to. After sending, you'll notice the video appears as a purple snap, just like a regular video snap, not a regular chat video. And when your friends open it, it will show as delivered, exactly like a normal snap. Mention title naturally, so that's how you can easily send videos from your camera roll as a snap on Snapchat, instead of just a regular video message. If you've ever searched for how to send videos from camera roll as a snap, this method is the real deal. Bonus tip. Quick bonus tip. To make sure your imported videos look natural and not glitchy, always use shorter clips. Snapchat handles them better and loads them faster as real snaps. Have you tried sending a camera roll video as a snap before? Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy Snapchat tips, and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.